In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a scene on Pictory. Whether you're sprucing up a presentation or crafting the perfect clip, changing scenes in Pictory couldn't be easier. Let's dive right into the steps and make your video project shine. First, we need to head over to the Pictory website. Open up your browser and navigate to the homepage of Pictory AI, which is the home of AI video editing technology. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. The easiest way to do this is by clicking on the Continue with Google button. This option allows you to use your Google account credentials, ensuring a quick and seamless login experience. Now that you're logged into your Pictory account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look towards the left-hand side and click on the Projects tab. This is where all your video projects are neatly organized. Find the project you'd like to edit. Once you've located it, look for the three dots, usually located towards the right of the project's name or thumbnail. Clicking these dots will reveal a small menu. Select Edit Project from this menu, allowing you to dive straight into the editing interface of Pictory. With the project open, it's time to locate the scene you want to change. Simply click on the scene and this will give you several editing options. Look for the Visuals tab within the Scene Editor. The Visuals tab opens up a treasure trove of potential clips and elements you can use to enhance your scene. Use the search feature to find precisely what you're looking for, whether it's a video clip, an image, or another visual element. Once you've found the perfect element that you want to incorporate into your scene, click on it. You can use the plus sign to add this element to your scene. This makes it really easy to build and layer different components in Pictory. After adding the clip or visual element, you may want to resize it to perfectly fit your scene layout. Adjust its dimensions directly within the editing area to ensure that everything aligns correctly and fits your intended visual aesthetic. Finally, before you wrap things up, click on the Preview button. This step is crucial as it allows you to play back the scene and ensure that everything looks as great as you imagined. Watching the preview helps verify that all your edits come together smoothly and makes it easier to spot any final adjustments that might be needed. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to effectively change a scene on Pictory. A few clicks and tweaks can make all the difference, transforming your videos into polished, professional presentations. Happy editing!